XRP, we start with the daily chart. Okay, as you can see, based on daily chart, even if I refer to my last video, we mentioned that there is a possibility, what we are looking for from this correction, that the price break this top, then from there we get the down move. This is what we are looking, but the question was whether we can get or not. Okay, and as we can see today, we had this sharp move up, and we don't have much changes here. In this case, we move to lower time frame. Okay, based on forward chart, we have this move today, and the thing is now, because even if we refer back to my last video, we mentioned that we were looking for this as a 1, and this is a second for the next move down. That's why even in my last video, I mentioned that we are expecting the price to break this top. May I put my line there? We are expecting the price to break this top, and as we can see that today we get this move up. And the question was whether before the price break this top, whether similar to what we have here, or before that, it could, because the question was whether the price can break this low before this move or not. And as we can see, when we got this move, it haven't broke this low yet. Okay. Anyway, no changes in our analysis, and now what we are expecting again, we're looking into this correction as 1, 2. We have broke the top, and we're expecting if the price can. If they drop and if we break this low, then from there I mentioned we are more interested to look for buy, but it doesn't mean when the price, if the price drop and broke this low, it doesn't mean from there we can look for buy. We will see how deep it can go and whether we can get the buy setup or not. But this is the zone where we are more interested to buy rather than buying here. Okay, because we mentioned that may we get this correction, then the price can break this top for the bigger correction before we get the next move down. All right. Anyway, this is what we are more interested, but it doesn't mean the price cannot start up more. The up move from here. Okay. And what I want to say, it doesn't mean the price have to break this low before you start the uptrend. Okay. Anyway, if the price break this low, we are more interested. This is what I want to say. In this case, we move to lower time frame. Okay, based on my analysis in my last video, we didn't have any buy setup, and even I highlight this one. This is not a good buy setup, but anyway, the price moved because of any reason. And now the question is, like what I mentioned based on forward chart, the price have broke this top, and what we want to see, we want to see whether the price can drop and break this low or not. Okay, then from there we will be more interested in the buy. But rather than beside that, how about if the price start the up move from here without breaking this low? Yeah, we will have that possibility as well. Now the question is, if we want to trade, how we can trade it? Do we have any trade set up right now? We don't have it. The only thing is, if we want to look for buy from here, we need to get the wait and get the confirmation. That means let the price, let it to correct some more, consolidate some more before we look for buy. Right now is not a good idea because we made the price can drop some more and break this low, because this is one of the options we're looking for. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now for buy. And again, if you're looking for buy, we are more interested the price break this low because of this correction. And how about if we want to look for buy from here? We need to wait for quite a long time. If the prices start to consolidate here, then we need to look into it, whether we can get the buy setup or not. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. In this case, we just follow the chart. And if I see any changes or update, or even if there is a possibility for one move up from here, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.